Welcome to my YouTube channel in Civil Transportation Department. Hello friends, today we explain the highway roads construction steps by step. In the last video we learned about field density test. So in this video we will learn about step by step road construction. Ever wondered how highways are built to connect cities and improve our lives? In today's video, we'll break down the entire step by step process of highway road construction. Let's dive in. Highway construction is a complex engineering process that requires detailed planning, skilled labor, and advanced machinery. From designing to final pavement, each step plays a crucial role in creating a strong, durable road that withstands heavy traffic and weather conditions. First of all, for highway construction surging, planning and design the roads. In this video we are showing the cross section of different roads step by step. After this we will need estimate the road. Then it will be tender notice in department offices surveying and planning. The first step in highway construction is surveying and planning. Engineers use tools like GPS and total stations to analyze the terrain, measure distances, and finalize the alignment of the road. This ensures the road layout is accurate and minimizes environmental impacts. In the road's construction, the first step is subgrade dumping. For this site, engineer looking a suitable soil for subgrade laying, clearing and excavations. Bulldozers and excavators clearing the site. Next, the construction site is cleared of vegetation, trees, and debris. Heavy machinery like bulldozers and excavators are used for this task. Once cleared, excavation begins to level the ground and prepare it for the roadbed. Subgrade preparation. Rollers compacting the soil. The subgrade is the foundation of the road. It is prepared by compacting the soil to ensure it can handle the weight of the traffic and pavement layers. Sometimes, soil stabilization techniques are used to improve its strength and durability. Step 4. Sub-base layer. Background. Dump trucks laying gravel followed by graders leveling the surface. The sub-base layer is added on top of the subgrade. It's made of crushed stone or gravel and acts as a load distributing layer, preventing deformation and increasing the road's lifespan. Step 5. Base layer. Machine spreading and compacting the base material. The base layer provides additional support. Materials like water-bound macadam WBM or asphalt-treated base are used. This layer is compacted to form a strong, stable platform for the next steps. Pavement construction 3:50 to 5 o'clock. Background. Asphalt pavers laying the surface, followed by rollers compacting it. Voiceover. Now comes the most critical part, paving. A binder course made of asphalt or concrete is laid first. Then, the surface course is added, which provides a smooth, durable riding surface. Asphalt pavers and rollers ensure the layers are perfectly laid and compacted. After paving, finishing touches are made. Lane markings, road signs, and safety barriers are installed. Drainage systems are checked to prevent waterlogging, and the road is inspected for quality assurance. Once all the steps are completed and safety checks are passed, the highway is open to the public. What started as an idea is now a modern engineering marvel connecting people and places. And that's how highways are constructed step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on engineering and construction.